Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video, I'm going to be planting some wild rice seed. Something I've wanted to do for quite a while now, so really excited, and hopefully I can get a result. All right, let's get into it. All right, so this is something I've been wanting to do for a long time, pretty much ever since I heard Bill say you could grow enough wild rice to feed one person in a kiddie pool. Now, I don't have the exact dimensions of the kiddie pool, but I got another one of those 4x4 kiddie pools, so that's going to be where it's grown. But since it's the first time I've ever done this, I'm going to be planting it in this tub, and then I'll transplant it into the kiddie pool. Wild rice is pretty interesting. It's an aquatic grass, not technically related to rice, but it needs about 2 months of cold to germinate. So this has been cold stratified, so it needs, and it's sealed in this package. This is from Everwild Farms, one of the few places I could actually find wild rice seed. These guys seem like they've done a heck of a job with the packaging. It's gold foil, keep the sun out, so seems like it's good go. There's a couple different varieties of wild rice seed. Mostly everything is east of the Mississippi, so already a bit like a duck out of water, just trying to grow it in Sacramento, even though it is actually farmed here along with regular rice. And there's even a perennial wild rice native to Texas, but it's actually listed as an endangered species. So good luck finding that rice, but if anyone's got it out there, I've been definitely interested in trying it out, although if it's endangered, probably means it doesn't grow very well, and the whole point of this is to try to get abundance in a small space. So anyway, basically I'm going to spread this out, cover it up with a bit of compost, and then add some water, make sure it stays wet, and then we'll check in on it come springtime. All right. All right, there we go. I'll just be adding some water, basically keep it kind of a soggy bog type of consistency, and fingers crossed that it comes up and we have a good, successful wild rice experiment. The potential with aquaculture is huge, particularly in small spaces, so I'm particularly excited about it. All right, thanks so much for watching. As always, the bomb permaculture shirts, store link below, and if you're in need of permaculture consultation or design, links for that below as well. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.